Alright, here is the condition, guys. What do you guys think? It's gonna go need one? I think so. Alright, I like this type. You don't have to undo anything. Everything accessible right here. I am using a 17mm. This tools is awesome. I do have link down below. Whoa, 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 whoa. Why are you always doing that?
Basically inspection on it right now, we're done with. And then I also have some on my property that they didn't set up the shop to be like their living quarters. So there was like a mini shower, bathroom, like a toilet.
So does it have its own septic?
So I think so. So, because I put like.
That's plenty for a trailer though. That's plenty.
How much of you're living in it. Sitting down with the trailer. Trying to avoid that, just have a septic plumbed into it, and that way I don't worry about it.
Old one out. Smell gas. New one in. Oops, don't do that. Tight it. Make sure it's tight. Yeah.
Oh yeah, great.
And tight this again. Yeah, there you go. That's all it needs. Brakes still looking pretty good.
Oh, yeah. That. Experience. Learn. Mr. Carlos.
Hey, buddy. What's up, man?
Wheel bearings and water pump and gasket for that one car on there.
Awesome. Thank you.
Where at? Wow. Crystal ball.
That's how we function.
I have not heard from the customer yet, so I'm gonna put this back.
My customer's not on the way.
Oops. There we go. And it's gonna take 5W30. All right, put this back. Oops, don't catch that thing. Okay. I'm also going to replace the rear wiper blade. There we go, pretty simple. And here is the part number. Line this up this way and then snug it in. Here we go. Pretty simple, right? All right, we're gonna go ahead and start the engine. Remove the old sticker. This one stick pretty good, but the good thing is there's no sticky portion there. And put the new one in. All right, so yeah, my TPMS light is also on, but they're all set to 25 psi. Now we're gonna go figure out how to reset the maintenance light. I'm here in service interval. Press OK and reset. Yes, there we go. Yeah, no more maintenance service reminder, but I gotta go ahead and take it for a drive in order for the TPMS to turn off at least 5 miles. And I forgot to add my washer solvent, so I'm gonna go ahead and drain a little bit. And I can also do the rear one. That's a new wiper blade right there. Looking good. All right, I think we're good. Okay. Turn it off. I drain a lot. All right, it's time for this guy. This is a fuel cleaner. This thing is a pain in the butt to open. Oh my goodness. This says twist and then turn clockwise, or force it to open. There we go. Ooh. There you have it. All right, let's go ahead and check the fluid level. This is low, this is full, and this is where we at. We're good. Thank you guys for watching.